Exercise is one of my best hobbies. Showing it to you because I want to motivate others if they want to lose weight. Okay, it's just a quick video. It's not really an exercise lesson for today. Sorry. Hello. My Japanese time. It's just okay. We will have a short video for today. Let's watch it. Oh my God! It's Japanese time. Yes. Yeah. Okay, watch this video to learn more in Japanese. Okay, this is a very quick video because I just want to teach you how are you going to introduce yourself in Japanese in a very simple way. Yes, okay. If you already watched my video last time, we already know how to say me in Japanese. Okay, me is again watashi. Yes, again watashi. Okay, we will going to use that watashi in Japanese sentence. Then how are you going to introduce yourself? Okay, again, the last video that I already told you that I am not teaching you here how to put words in the sentences because I am not really a Japanese teacher here. I am just teaching you a simple sentences and basic words in Japanese. Okay, that is very clear to us. Okay, now, how are you going to say? How are you going to introduce yourself in Japanese? Okay, now, okay, simple sentences. Okay, that's what I've said. It's a very quick video for today. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to click subscribe. Okay, thank you. Bye.